How to delete your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and delete your Facebook account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, now I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. To delete our Facebook account, it's very simple. Just go to the menu icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, as you can see over here. Once you tap on the menu icon and come to this page, here you want to actually scroll down a little bit and select the option called Settings and Privacy. Once you go to Settings and Privacy, just go to the one that says Settings at the top. Once you go to Settings, over here you want to go to the option called Access and Control. Once you go to Access and Control, just tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Here it will give you two options to deactivate your account if you don't want deleted, but if you are sure of it, then just select Delete Account and tap on Continue to Account Deletion, and again confirm the changes by tapping on it. You have to select a reason as to why you want to go ahead and delete it. Just go ahead and select any of the reasons and tap on Continue, and you'll be able to see all this. Instead, to keep Messenger, you can just deactivate your Facebook account and keep your Messenger account as well. You can save the post which is in your archive section. You can download the information. You can also download the Oculus info, and you can also transfer your information. Before you delete your Facebook account, you can transfer a copy of the information to another service. Information you can transfer includes posts, photos, and videos, and more. And just tap on the delete account button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. The final step is to simply try to enter your password. Once you enter your password and tap on the confirm button, your Facebook account will be successfully deleted. And this is simply how you can delete your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.